In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an electronic signature in OneNote. This is a useful skill for anyone who needs to sign documents digitally. With the right tools and steps, you can easily create a signature that you can reuse in various applications. Let's get started. First, open OneNote and create a new page. You can do this by selecting the option to add a new page within your existing notebook. This is important because having a dedicated space allows you to focus on creating your signature without distractions. The blank canvas of a new page gives you room to experiment. You will see the familiar OneNote interface where you can freely draw. Preparing this page sets you up for success. Next, click the Draw tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains all the drawing tools you will need to create your signature. The Draw tab is essential because it provides the options for various pen types and colors. Once you click on it, you will notice several tools that will help you personalize your signature. This step is significant as it is where the creative process begins. Select a pen and choose its color and thickness. You can take your time to experiment with different options until you find a look that suits your personal style. The pen thickness and color can greatly affect the appearance of your signature. For example, a thicker pen can give a bold look, while a finer pen can appear more delicate. This customization makes your signature unique and personal to you. Now use your mouse, finger, or stylus to sign your name on the page. OneNote supports digital ink and handwritten notes, providing you with flexibility in how you create your signature. If you are using a touchscreen, you may find it easier to sign with your finger or a stylus. This part of the process is where your signature truly comes to life. Take your time and write as you would on paper. If you are not happy with the result, use the eraser tool and try again. The eraser tool is straightforward to use and allows you to make adjustments without starting over completely. This is a helpful feature because it encourages you to perfect your signature. Don't hesitate to experiment until you get the look you desire. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you can always redo it. Once you have created your signature, you can take a screenshot of it and save it as an image. This is a great way to preserve your signature for future use. To take a screenshot, you can use the built-in tools on your computer or device. Saving it as an image will make it easy to access whenever you need it. This step is crucial because it allows you to utilize your signature across different platforms and documents. Next, copy and paste it into Word documents, PDFs, or emails. This step ensures that your signature can be used in various applications seamlessly. Whether you are sending an important document or signing a contract, having your signature readily available makes the process efficient. This method saves you time and allows for quick use whenever needed. Finally, keep the signature in a dedicated OneNote page for future use. By doing this, you can always return to your signature whenever you need it without having to recreate it. Having it stored in OneNote also helps keep your documents organized. This little step will save you a lot of time later as you won't have to go through the drawing process again. With these steps complete, you now have a digital signature ready for use. Thank you for watching.